To cast off, once you've finished knitting, start with the needle that's holding the project in your left hand and the other needle in your right hand. Then knit one regular stitch from the left needle onto the right needle. Repeat one more time so there are 2 regular stitches on the right needle. Now insert the tip of the left needle into the first stitch on the right needle and lift the stitch up over the top of the second stitch. Next, knit another regular stitch onto the right needle. Insert the tip of the left needle into the first stitch on the right needle and lift it up over the second stitch like you did before. Continue the process until you've cast off all the stitches on the left needle. There should be 1 loop left on the right needle when you're finished. Cut the working end of the yarn with scissors so you're left with about a 6-inch or 15-centimeter tail. Finally, put the tail through the last stitch with the right needle.